Afternoon, Second Humanities. This is a description or summary of what we did today in the Zoom class. 19 students were connected. Thank you for your participation in the Zoom class, Second Humanities. This is the topic, vacation activities with the present perfect simple, Second Humanities, English 3, Mr. Cerro. Today is May 7, 2020. The question that we used at the beginning of the presentation is, what is the vacation activity? And I gave you three options: sunbathing, surfing, or canoeing. Correct. The first one is surfing. This was the first question. And I gave you a little description of surfing. Continuing with this question, what is the vacation activity? I gave you three options: whale watching, swimming, rock climbing, and the correct whale watching. This was the second question with a little description also of whale watching. The third question, what is the vacation activity again? And I gave you three options: cycling, horse riding, or mountain biking. And the correct is mountain biking. And I gave you also a short description of mountain biking. After that, I asked a question: which vacation activity have you done? And I gave you this vocabulary. You can repeat in your house, please, also: planning, packing, hiking, canoeing, bungee jumping, snorkeling, floating, camping, diving, uh, taking photos, sunbathing, surfing, swimming, grilling, windsurfing, or climbing. And after that, I told you that in my case, my experience is I have gone snorkeling. This is what I have done. Okay? And this was the experience that I have uh, done in this case. I have gone snorkeling. And this sentence is written in the present perfect simple. We use have or has plus the verb in the past participle. And this is what we use. This is what I have done. Remember, present perfect simple. We use have or has if we are talking about she, he, or it. And we are going to use the verb, in this case gone, in the past participle. This is the present perfect simple that we use it to talk about experiences. And I gave you also the conjugation of the present perfect simple with the verb play in the affirmative, negative, and interrogative. You can have an idea of how do we conjugate the present perfect simple in the three forms and the formula that uses have or has, depending on the personal pronoun, plus the verb in the past participle. And I gave you also some verbs. This is a list of verbs that we use when we talk about the present perfect simple. The conjugation is in the past participle. To finish with the class, I told you to work with this activity, which is a listening activity, English 3. Complete this song using the audio that I sent to the group. So, this was all for today's class. Thank you very much. Bye bye.